Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you doing today? First of all, if you can hear me, just type yes loud and clear. Okay? Can you all hear me? Can you all hear me? If you can, say yes, we can. Say yes, we can hear you. Yes, we can. Who's going to say that first? Who is here? Who is connected? Who is connected today? Hey, VJ Prince. VJ Prince number one. Yes, Akim. You follow suit 1.5. Demi 1.3. Loud and clear. Prince Uche. Loud and clear. Atta Mitchell. Great. You can hear me too. Akim today. Loud and clear. Good. Akim. Thank you. Collins. Oh, where have you been? Long time, Collins. Collins is back. Hey, Collins is back. Oh, great stuff. Good to see all of you today. VJ Prince, good to see you. Akim, Demi, Prince, Atta, Akim today. Akim, well done, Collins. Good to see you all. So how's life been? I hope life's been treating you great. It's been treating you well. Excellent. So, where are we all from today? Let's get an idea. I know where most of you are from. Oh, Joel is here. Joel is here. The same man, the same Joel. Joaish something. Joel is one of the strong member. Strong member, yes. So Collins from Kenya, okay. Prince, Nigeria, good. Who else? Tony, hello Tony, how are you? Where's Tony from? Tony, where are you from today? Are you from Kenya, Uganda? Okay, from Nigeria. Good to see you. Good to see you. So, do we have anybody from India today? Okay, Akim from Nigeria. Yes. Anyone from Russia? Hey, Tip Topsy, Canada. Good to see you, TP Topsy. Is that your first time? Hey, Demi, Netherlands. Opia. Opisax. Opia. It's Niger. The Niger. Fortunate. Yes. Fortunate is a fortunate founding member. If you have any questions at all, you want to know more about what we do, your trade mentor, there are people here who are a strong member. They are part of the team. One of them is Fortunate. Opisax is one of them. Demi is one of them. In case you have any question, you want to know about how we operate. Do we actually do live trading? Because some people do a lot of training, but they don't trade live account. So you can ask all these people on the YouTube channel right now. You can private chat them and say, hey, how do they do that? Do they actually trade? Do they actually do live trading, or they just talk and talk? You know, so we do have a group, a forum in Discord where we do our business. So Fortunate will tell you about it. Joel as well. Joel is a member. It's a strong member from the United States. So you can ask him as well. It will tell you a lot. Caribbean 767 Forest. Okay. Which island of the Caribbean is that? Which island? Is it it's a lot of islands there. TNT, Jamaica, Grenada. Which one of it? So Team YTM, good to see you all. So today we are going to talk about gold today, right? So we're going to talk about gold. James, oh, thank you from Kenya. Thank you. Glad to see you. Glad to see you. Glad to see you. So we're going to discuss about gold today. And Mojalefa, Seba, Siema. Okay, Siema, what's that? It sounds like, yes, Mojalefa, South Africa, yes. Siema, what is that? Is that an island? Is that island? Okay, yes. Dominica Republic. I love that. I love that island. Yeah, Dominica Republic. When I had a chance, after the lockdown, those are the nice places one has to visit. Good, 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 good. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna start. We're nearly like 30 of us here. So we are going to start. So today I'm going to take you through few slides. So pay attention, and once you look at the slide, you get the training. I will, at the end of the training, I will show you. I will take your permission to show you a little bit about what your trade mentor does. So, but that will be after training. Today, this is going to be a full training. I'm not going to keep anything away from you. I'm going to tell you as it is, and there may be one or two things that you will learn from today. So it's a free training, but please take it. It is free, but it's going to be useful. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, we are going to start. So once in a while, if you have any question, do not hesitate to just pop in your question, and I will review the question and I will answer them. Okay. All right. So what we are starting today is the how to trade gold. Okay. How to trade gold. So we're going to talk about trading gold versus investing in gold. Two things: trading, investing. You can see there are two things. Okay. We are going to discuss the two. We're going to look at different strategies that we can use to trade gold. Okay. We are going to talk about a simple short-term strategy, a simple long-term strategy, and we are going to talk about day trading strategy. Okay? So those three strategies we are going to talk about today. All right? Those three strategies we are going to talk about, and after that, we'll look at when is the best time. Is there any best time to trade gold within the day? So we have 24 hours. We trade Monday to Friday. Is there any specific time of the day that we want to trade gold? You remember there are different sessions. We have Europe session, we have Asian session, we have American session. Which session is better, or what time is best? Okay, so that's what we're going to cover today. So the first thing we are going to talk about is trading gold versus investing in gold. Okay. So even before I say anything, if you want to be in a camp, okay, I want to be in a trading camp or I want to be in investing camp. It's a two different camps, and it's a two different mindset. A trader's mindset is completely different from an investor mindset. So, but both can be done together. They are not exclusive. Both can be done together. However, you must know which camp you are at a specific time. Are you in the trading camp right now, or are you in the investing camp right now? Maybe when you are trading, which one are you doing? So those two camps are separate. So let's talk about investing in gold. Okay, what does that mean? Very simple. You buying it and hold it for a long time. That is months or years. So we all know what gold price is saying right now. Can anybody tell us what is the price of gold right now today? Price of gold today, anybody? Anybody know price of gold? Price of gold today. Anybody knows price of gold today? Yeah. Price of gold today, if you know it, pop it there. You are allowed to go and check your MT4 platform. You are allowed to go on the internet and browse and check what the price of gold is. Okay. You are allowed to do that. All right. You are very much allowed to do that. Okay. So if you know the price of gold for today, pop in your answer. Pop in your answer. If you know the price of gold today, pop in your answer. All right. Price of gold today, what is it? All right. Pop in your answer if you know. Okay. So $1,727, $1,700, $1,735. Okay. So good answers, which is correct. Okay. However, we know that gold actually touches just over 2,000 US dollar. It rises and touches $2,000 last year August. About last year August, gold actually reaches 2,000 US dollars. Okay, so Akin want to sell at 1738. Okay, good point. Okay, so gold got to $2,000 in 2020, August 2020. It gets to $2,000, but it fell. Okay, so my question now is, if you decide to buy gold now as a trader or as an investor, if somebody asks, oh, I'm going to buy gold now, are you going to be buying it with the view that you are trading gold, or you are going to buy it with the view that you are investing gold? So there are two camps. So an investor might not mind buying gold right now at 1,700. He will say, well, I'm going to buy the gold because I'm going to hold the gold for months or years. Okay, he might have a lot of money to do that. You know, let's say he has a 50,000 US dollar or 100,000 US dollar. He just buy the gold and hold it. Okay, but a trader will think differently. Like Akin just said, a trader will say, look, this is a downtrend, man. I'm not going to buy gold in a downtrend because I'm trading it, right? So that is the two different way of thinking. Okay, all right. This method are not practical if you are investing in gold. It's not practical for trading as they are very slow and do not give the ability to sell short. So it means that you just buy it and hold it. So you buy it maybe at 1,700, and maybe you never know, economic situation, circumstances will change where stock market is no longer booming, because you know stock market is the opposite of gold. We all know that, right? So when stock market is booming, gold is dropping. When vice versa, when there's turbulence in the whole world, gold price will rise. So anything can happen in the next 12 months, 24 months. Gold can still go back up to 2,000 or more. So if you are investing, you buy it, so you are not going to be selling until you realize your target. Okay, so that is about investing. Now when we talk about trading, it means you are going to buy and sell several times within a short period, and within that group of trading, we have different traders as well. So you know there are different traders. We have the scalpers, we have the day traders, we have the swing traders, and we have the long-term traders. So even within the trading group, so you got to even align yourself with which part you are, or which level you are, which area you are in the trading environment if you are a trader. Okay, so your trade could be short period as minutes or hours or few days. So now you can try to identify which area you want to do right now with what is happening with gold. Gold is going down. It's 1,700. It has dropped value from over 2,000. So as a trader, you know, you need to look at a lot of we're going to talk about strategies. You need to look at things before you can trade gold now, whether you are going to buy or sell. But as investor, you have to look at less technical. What you are looking at is more of fundamentals. Okay, good stuff. All right, so selling, Akin is selling at 1738, Prince 1727. Okay, so it went up to 1744 today and dropped. Yeah, because we are quite, as you can imagine, we are quite on a downward trend regarding gold. If you look at the daily chart, you look at intraday chart, so Akin sold gold. Yes, brilliant. Okay, Good luck. Good to see you. Good luck. Good luck. Long time ago. Yeah. Good to see you again. Excellent. All right. So what we are saying now is that you be in two camp, investing or trading. Okay. Now, trading gold can allow you to make more frequent and larger profit from fluctuation in the price of gold, both up and down, than you would when you buy and hold. So that's the advantage of trading. It means that you can buy it, sell it today, within the day, within 2 days, within a week, within a month, buy and sell frequently and profit from the movement. Unlike investing, your money is going to be tied down. It's going to be tied down over a long period. People might have bought gold 10 years ago and they are still holding it. Not necessarily they're going to use MT4 platform or something like that. They might actually go and buy the gold, the real thing. Or some people will trade using some other brokers that specializes in trading gold. Okay? So, but buy and selling, trading, you get profit from the fluctuation of the price. Okay. So let's look at simple strategy. This is so simple, everybody knows about it. So this is a simple strategy for short-term traders. So it's a classic way to try to profit from the frequent trend in gold. Okay, so it's just moving average crossover. Everybody knows moving average crossover. So you are not going to do this all the time. You are just going to watch the charts, look for a trend, and look for when the trend is strong, and then you have a crossover. Then you can trade. You know, one of the problems of moving average is that it will give you a lot of false signals. We know that. So there will be a lot of false signals because moving average is not a friend of range. Moving average is a friend of trend. So you need to identify trend first. Okay. So how do we identify trend? Who knows how to identify trend? Let me throw that to you. Students, who knows how to identify trend? Give me 3 things you can use to identify trend before you even plot the moving average. Well, actually, the answer is in my question. The answer is also in my question. All right. So anybody knows how to identify a trend of a price, you know, of an instrument? Who knows how to identify a trend? Okay, who knows that? So how can you identify a trend? So you need first of all have to identify the trend. When you know what the trend is, then you can plot your moving average crossover, and it will make sense. Okay, but without finding out what the trend is and you plotting the moving average, you are going to get a lot of whipsaw. You're going to get a lot of up and down, and you're going to probably enter too many trades, and that is the problem of moving average. Okay, yes, Die Hard, where have you been? Welcome back. Long time ago. Some people are coming back. You know what? Where have you gone? Where have you been, Die Hard? Good to see you again, man. Love you all, guys. Miss you all. I'm happy to see you all. Those names looks very, very good. Yes, good stuff. And you know what, traders, this is what we do in yourtradementor.com on our Discord channel. We do price action. You see, price action is one of the best you can use in trading. It's far better sometimes than indicators. Indicator is a guide, but price action is a reality. It's what is happening right now. You can read it. And we have improved a lot, and we are improving every day on the Discord channel. So like Die Hard said, trend lines, Fibonacci, all those stuff, these are what we use. You draw a trend line, you look for you look for things like doji, you look for double top, but double bottom, all those type of trading patterns. We do it in Discord and we teach you. So if you are looking to become a successful trader, you must know a lot of things. You must have different things in your locker. So one of those is price action trading. Okay. So Richard, trend is determined by 2 higher highs and 2 higher lows. Okay, good. So we all know what trend is. Okay. So what other things we can use? You can actually apply indicators as well. One of the indicators that we all know is what is called the ADX, average directional movement. So when you apply an ADX to a chart, what that means is it gives you a reading of 0 to 100. So reading that is above 25 is tend to be trending. A reading that is below 25, we know it is ranging. That is one thing you can use. Okay. There are other things you can use as well. Even moving average. You can use a moving average of 100, for example. So when it will tell you whether it is downtrend or uptrend, but it won't tell you exactly whether we are actually in a strong trend. But ADS will give you that. Trend line is perfect for that. And we have other indicators as well that can show you that. Okay, so let's assume. All right, yeah. So now let's assume that we have determined that we are in a trend, okay? And all we need to do is put in two crossover moving average. Two crossover moving average. I'll suggest something like 10 versus 50 moving average. All right, you can see the 10 is a blue one, the 50 is a red one. Okay, but remember, you need to first of all determine that we are in a trend on a longer time frame. For example, this is just an hour. So if you know that, for example, gold is in a short-term trend right now, or it's in a daily downtrend right now. So you will go to a shorter time frame because you are trading. You are not investing. You are trading. This is a trading strategy, a short term. You go into an hour or 15 minutes chart and look for crossover when you know that the gold is actually in a downtrend, and you look for sell opportunities only. Okay. All right. Another strategy we can use for long term, but this is trading, this is not investing, this is still trading, is that from study historically, okay, gold price and the interest rate, that is the real interest rate. You know, when they say the interest rate is 3%, and then inflation is 2%. Okay, so interest rate is 3%, inflation is 2%. Well, the real interest rate really is 3 minus 2, which is 1%. That is the real interest rate. Okay, because say for example you put $1,000 in a bank and you get a 3% this thing on it, interest on it, but that interest has been eroded by inflation, which is 2%. So your power, the power of the 3% is no longer as powerful as 3% because of the inflation. So you got to take the inflation into account. So when you remove inflation from the interest, you get the real interest rate. So gold and the real interest rate has been opposite each other. So anytime you discover that interest rate is starting to go down, seriously go down from high to low, then gold will start to rise, and vice versa. Okay, so that is a kind of a long time. So it's not something that it will happen very often. You know, interest rates has been down now in the last how many years now? Few years now in the US, in Europe, everywhere. In the UK, for example, interest rate is 0.1 or something like that, or 0.25, and in the US it's probably 0. Nobody even talk about interest rate anymore because it's not of nobody is interested in that subject anymore because there's nothing they can do. It's too low. Okay, so that is second strategy. So is a second strategy we call the simple by looking at the real interest rate, and adjusting your trade accordingly. So this strategy is actually close to being an investor. It's close to being an investor, but still you are looking at different technical things to make your decision. That's why we still categorize it as trading. Okay, excellent. So let's look at one more. All right. Now we go to the day trading strategy. So we have discussed simple one, the two simple strategy. Now I want to give you this, and I want everyone to, if you have your MT4 platform next to you, have a look at it. It's very close to what I think Fortunate has talked about earlier, about price action. Okay. So I've said this already, that my advice is for you to look at a longer term trend. So look at the trend. Okay. Now, if the price is higher than it has ever been in the last 6 months, so you look at the price today, right now, and the price today is higher than 6 months ago, it means that we are in a strong bullish time. Okay, gold is in a strong bullish period if the price is very strong and is higher than 6 months ago. All right. However, if the price is higher than 6 months ago but below some of the prices reached since then, so we know 6 months ago, let's say gold was $2,000 and today it's $1,007. Can we say it's in bullish mood? Ooh. Can we say it's bullish? Can we even say it's weak bullish? No, because the price today is not higher than 6 months ago, so it is not in bullish mode at all. Okay, so let's see which mode is it right now. Right, if the price is lower than it has been for the last 6 months, be strongly bearish. Okay, so where are we now? Okay, what is the price of gold today compared to 6 months ago? So that will tell you what you need to do as a day trader. Do you need to be bullish? Do you need to be bearish? Do you need to be strongly bullish, strongly bearish? Okay. And the last one is, if the price is lower than it was 6 months ago, yes, we are bearish, but it is above some of the prices reached since then. So since 6 months ago, some prices has actually rise above what it was 6 months ago within that period. Okay, it means although we are bearish, but we are weakly bearish. Okay, you can check your platform. In fact, later on I will show you what I mean on the MT4 platform if possible. Okay, any questions so far? Any questions? Okay, we're enjoying it, right? No question. Brilliant. Okay. All right, and if the price has shown little direction over the past 6 months, so you look at the last 6 months, price has not shown any significant direction, so it means that we are in the area of support and resistance, that we are in a range. So you be careful not to overcommit yourself. Look at the price over the last 6 months. You cannot see a specific direction, whether the price has not even been above or below, or it's been undulating, it's been going up and it's been coming down within the last 6 months. So it means that we are in a range. Okay. Any question? Any question? Any question? Okay, and as I said, we are going to talk about when is the best time to trade gold. Okay, when do you think is the best time to trade gold? All right, what time of the day is the best time to trade gold? Okay, the price of gold tends to move more at a certain times of the day. All right, let's look at those times of the day. You know, we have, as I said before, we have 3 sessions, main sessions. We have the Europe session, we have the US session, and we have the, you call it Asian session. Okay, so which session? But we are not going to talk about session here. We are going to talk about time. Okay, time period. So look at the time here. Between, this is London time, between hours of midnight to 4 a.m. okay, we see that volatility is 0.41. Between 4 and 8 in the morning, volatility is 42.42. And between 8, things start to hot up. 8 in the morning till 12 noon, we have 0.51. But the highest volatility is seen between 12 and 16, which coincide to US Open. When US and Europe are together in the market, you see we have the highest volatility here, 0.94. And between 16 and 20, 0.62. And suddenly, after 20, the volatility drops. So you will see we have the major volatility between the hours of 8 London time, right, and 20 London time. So you can see between 8 London time here and then 20, that is where you have all the volatility. So if you want to trade gold, either as a day trader or you want to scalp it, whatever, you need momentum and you need to have volatility, then those are the best time you can apply it. Okay, good. Right, so let's hear the questions. Can you please record this so I can watch again? Of course, yes. This is recorded on YouTube, so you can come back actually nearly immediately after we finish. YouTube record it automatically. It will be placed here. So just come back to this channel. The video is there. Okay, yes. So you have seen all the sessions right now. You have seen, so we're not talking in terms of maybe different sessions, London or Europe, or we're talking of Asia. We're talking of time here. So the bulk of the move for gold is between 8 o'clock UK time and 8 to 8, really. 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. That's it. 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. UK time. Yeah? 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. UK time. Okay, so if you have any questions about this gold, shoot it now so that I can have a look. And by the way, I am going to show you something very quickly. I'm going to show you something very quickly on MetaTrader 4 platform. So I will show you MetaTrader 4 so you can. All right. So you can see my screen. Yeah, let me know when my screen changed. Okay, so when my screen changed, I hope you can see that. I hope you can see that. Hope you can see that. So I'm changing my screen to MetaTrader 4 so I could quickly show you what we have discussed. And especially the day trading aspect of it, where I want to see what is this price, the price of gold 6 months ago and the price of gold now. And then when you see those things, you will know whether you are going to be bullish, you are going to be bearish, weak bullish or weak bearish. Can you see the screen right now? You can see my MT4 platform right now. I guess so. Yeah. Okay, thank you. So now this is let's see, 6 months ago. Today is March. So 6 months ago will be September last year. All right, September. This is around September last year. September last year is here. So September 1. So September is from here. If we insert, let's say we insert a shape or something like that. So the whole of this place is September last year. No, this is around September last year, yeah. Okay, let's say that's September last year, and this is right now. So if you follow what we said earlier, if gold price today is lower than what it was 6 months ago, we do what? We are bearish. So anyone that is day trading, take note of that you want to be bearish on gold. For an investor, it's a different mindset. An investor will not be thinking of what we are talking about here. This is for traders. So they're looking at the price of gold 6 months ago compared to now. Okay. Now, are we strongly bearish or are we strongly weakly bearish? We know we are bearish, but are we strongly or weakly? So the second condition is if within that 6 month period between September and now, as the gold price went above the high of September, has it gone above the high of September, break the high, even though it's lower now, but within the last 6 months, has it managed to break that high, then come back? Well, the answer is here. Let's see this line here. Okay, we can see we couldn't. So they try, because this is September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So they try to come back to break the previous, this date was, let's see what date is this. Let's see this. Okay, this is around November. So we got another high. This is November, and this one is January this year. So in January this year, we try to break the high of last year, November, but we couldn't. And then you see how we gone bearish since then. So I would say right now we are strongly bearish on gold. Okay, but with other price action, you might be able to call the bottom of this downward movement. You can use different stuff to call it, maybe support and resistance, trend line, double bottom, different kind of chart patterns, reversals and stuff like that. But generally, we are strongly bearish. Okay. So, any question? Any question? Yeah, thank you so much. Oh yes, we are definitely bearish on gold right now. And if you are using, if you're a day trader, you can see the crossover, the last crossover. Once you discover that we are bearish, you can see the last crossover. If you have taken that trade, you will still be in that trade right now. Or using this, I think this is 1 hour chart. Let me check. Is it 1 or daily chart? Oh, this is daily chart. Okay, so that's daily chart. So you could have been in this trade since the crossover, because you knew that we are strongly bearish. And when we are strongly bearish, you are looking to sell only at that time. Okay, I hope that is very clear. So as I said, price action, everything we do on YTM. All right, so let me quickly show you something that we do on YTM as well. Because in YTM we have okay, when you see the Discord channel, let me know. When you see the Discord channel, let me know. So in YTM, we have a Discord channel where we do all our tradings. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a few things that we do. The strategy, we have different strategy that we used. We have a lot of some of our traders here that put live trading on. We do every week. We do new video releases. And we provide signal providers. We provide signals to all our people on Discord. So if you want to be part of this, you want to take live trading, and you want to be trading with us, these are live trading. These are things that you will get used to. You will receive training about it. You will learn how to use it. You are not forced to use this particular strategy or this mode of trading. But if you try it and you think you like it, wonderful, you can keep working at it and you can join us and do it. So we have different mode of operations. As you know, our flagship strategy is still on fire. Simple breakout system is still on fire. SBS is on fire still. We are still using it. A lot of people are trading it. So you are encouraged, if you want to be part of us here, we hold your hand and help you out. Okay, so there are a lot of things you can learn from here. So let me show you quickly. I'm going to show you quickly how our website look like. I'm sure you must have seen it before, but if you haven't seen it, I will show you how it looks like. Okay, so we have a website. We call it yourtradementor.com. How many people has visited our website before? How many people? Yeah, how many people have visited it before? How many people has visited our website? Right, so this is the website. Okay, so this is yourtradementor.com. So we give you complete tutorial video. If you want to be part of us, we give you complete tutorial video. When you sign up, you get access to review all videos about different strategies, indicators, and you have access to mentorship recorded video as well. You have 3 powerful trading strategies, and also the Discord I just showed you. You will be member of that Discord group, and it is free as a member. Okay, all the trading signal we share them are free for members, and training is free for members. You will have access to live session. We do live session every week on that. I hold a live session training, and also we have a trading room, so where you can chat and discuss with other traders. So all this together, everything for you here is $50. So if you want to become a member, you are welcome. I will post to you now. I will post the link. You can join this group. I will post the link you can use to register. So the registration is only $50, but what you are going to benefit is extremely powerful. You know, the Discord only. I know some people are charging to become to be part of their Discord member, or to come into their trading room. You can even see people charging for trading room by itself, right? So, and we don't charge for trading room. We don't charge for Discord membership. All we say is once you pay $50, then you are part of us, and you are going to benefit from everything. So these other prices are for one-to-one mentorship. So if you sign up for $50, you are going to benefit everything that everybody has. But the difference is this person here that signed up for $200, we have 2-hour mentorship with me. So I will coach them one-on-one, 2 hours. If you sign up for the $500 package, you have 6-hour mentorship with me. Okay. Apart from those, all the 3 are exactly the same. So if you require a small mentorship, 2 hours, then you sign up to this package. If you require a longer term, which is 6 hours, a 2 hours is a 1 day. So you choose a day that suits you, and we talk. For the $500 package, you choose 3 days that suit you. I'll give you my access to my calendar. You book 3 days that suit you, and we will talk within those 3 days. I'll give you the exact strategy that I'm using, and then I will take your hand until you are very confident to trade on your own. So that is the package we have for you. As we said, the Discord is included in this package. Also, this website, you have expert advisors and indicators. Most of these indicators that we have talked about today, you can find them on this website, because if you go to store, we have a store here. In the store, we have different expert advisor and indicators that is available. So you can see all these indicators, they are for sale, but as a member, it is free for you. So these indicators by themselves and the expert advisor, they are worth over $1,000. But all these are inclusive in your package. So once you sign up the package, we will send you a code. You use that code to download any of these indicator and expert advisors. Okay, any question? Is there any question? Any question? Any question? We have any question? Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a big pleasure tonight, today, this morning, this afternoon, wherever you are calling from, to chat with you. Do we have any questions before we zoom off? Okay, yes, I say I'm going to send you the link. All right, don't let me forget about the link. Okay, let me send you the link. All right, here is the link. All right, so if you are interested in registering with us, here is a link. You just click that link and you go to the registration page. You can choose either the silver package, the gold package, or the diamond package. So if you just want to have a one-to-one with us and just one session is enough, 200 you pay. If you want more than one sessions, you pay 500. But if you don't actually want any session at all, you just want to learn and want to be part of the winning team, I can tell you it's a winning team here. It's a winning team here. So you only just pay the $50 and then you'll be part of us. Okay. Okay, yes. You just use the simple moving average. It's okay. Simple moving average. Don't make it complicated. 10 and 50 simple moving average is okay. Even if you use exponential, the difference is not that great. It's not that much. It's nearly the same. Okay, yes. So thank you so much for that, Akim. Okay, so if you are from Nigeria, you want to pay. It's very easy to pay. On the website, we have two payment methods. We have the PayPal, and I know some people have problems with using PayPal. We have Stripe. So what we have done is to make sure the Stripe is able to be used in Nigeria. So I would say, first of all, try Stripe. But if that Stripe does not work, come to our Telegram channel, and then we will do some kind of understanding with you, and then we can give you an account where you can pay it to, But majority of people, even from Nigeria, they use Stripe to make the payment. But if you still struggle with Stripe, contact us. We can always arrange something with you because we are interested in your success. So whatever it takes to get you on board, we will do. So if you are yet not member of the Telegram group, let me send you the link. Remember that Telegram group is free, and we have over 1,000 members on Telegram group. So here is a link to Telegram group. If you just want to come on Telegram group and ask questions like Akin, that you want to know about what you can use to pay, you can come to Telegram group and ask that question. Yes. So do we scalp with the market? Yes, we can scalp the market. Yes, of course we can scalp the market, and you need to find a suitable method of scalping, and you need to make sure your risk reward ratio is very good. And as I said, the time you are going to scalp the market must be time that you have enough momentum, you have enough volatility to actually make some pips. And other thing is about broker. You must be careful of which broker you use. All right. So because some brokers, the spread is so much, and it will stop you from being profitable as a scalper. And some brokers, they actually discourage scalping, so they make it so difficult for you to scalp. So you got to be careful about that. Competition is coming, right? Competition is coming. Mojalefa is coming. I know you guys did very well last time. It was fantastic. The people that won last time, they are doing incredibly well. They are trading live accounts right now, and they are making lot of profit on their live account, and they are still using the same strategy they used that time. So the good thing about doing competition is that it makes traders get better. So it makes traders get better. So I hope you guys got better doing that competition last time. So we're going to organize something like that again. Yeah. Good stuff. Any more question? Any more question? Thank you guys for being here tonight. So this strategy is good for both investors and also for people that wants to trade. So as we have said, we are in a downtrend on gold. As traders, only look for selling opportunities right now. As an investor, you just pick your time, pick your moment where you want to buy. As an investor, you are only buying, right? You are only buying. You can only sell if you have a position. But if you don't have a position, as an investor, you can only buy. Okay, so wait for a moment where you want to pounce and then buy it, and then you have to hold it for a long time. Okay, good. Any more question? Any more questions? So as we said, this is recorded, and it's recorded, and you can see the video maybe after we finish. In the next 20 minutes when we finish, the video will be available to you, so you can come back to this channel and watch. All right, so there's no more question, then we will call it a day now. And thank you so much everybody that has participated today. It's wonderful to see you guys, and same time next week. So next week we're gonna look for some interesting topic. Yes, yeah, apply simple moving average to the close price. Only close price. Only close price. Because some of the problem with open price and some indicators is that most of the decisions should be made after the price has closed. If the price is still open and you are making decision, it can change within that period. Let's say it's an hour candle. Within the hour, price can still change. So, but if you wait till the close of that candle, then that is done. Deal is done. A closed candle cannot reopen itself anymore. So an indicator that has given a buy signal at the close of candle is more accurate than an indicator that is giving a buy signal at the opening of the candle. So you always must let the candle close first. Okay. All right, guys, I want you to do something now before we go, right? Our like is only 13. So I want a like to go to 20. Okay. So I want you to click that like button. If you like this video, I want you to click it so that we can improve and people can see that we are making a difference. So please go ahead. Go ahead and click the like button now before I go. I remember that. So we want to move that hand up. Go. Move that like button up. Move it up from 14. We want to get to 20. All right. So fortunate. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Discord is the place. Discord is the place. We're gonna see ourselves again in Discord in the next few minutes. Okay, so when you look at ADX, you use the 25. So 25 is considered to be the middle. So anything below 25 is non-trending range. Anything above 25 is trending. But what you can do is look at the instrument you are trading. If 25 seems to be too low, you can adjust it. You can move it to 30. Then you say everything above 30 is a trending market. Everything below 30 is what? Is non-trending market. Yes. Yeah, default settings are fine. Yes, default settings are fine. So just make sure you just add that line. If the line is not there, you add the line. Either 25, start with 25. Below 25 is non-trending, above 25 line is trending. But if you put it on gold, for example, and you see right now on gold, you see, oh, wow, it's too close to 25. Okay, I think I better move it up a little bit. So to get majority of the strong trend, and you don't want to include all the whipsaws. So you just adjust that line to 30. I think between 25 and 30 is the standard that most people use. So even some people might even bring it as low as 20, but don't make it too low. because if you bring it too low to 20, what happens is you are going to catch a lot of a range period. So if you bring it too low, you catch a lot of range period. If you take it too high, you might not get to a good trending period. So 25-30 is a good level to put it. Okay, we need two more, please, two more likes. Who hasn't given us a like? We need 2 more likes before we go. 2 more like. We are 18. We need to reach 20. Okay. So thank you so much, all you guys. You've been fantastic today. And then I will speak to you again